and that is mischief. Mischief. Mischief is a type of trouble, but it isn't serious trouble. It's more like fun trouble or funny trouble. Mischief is very frequently used when talking about children because children enjoy making adults angry. It's fun to them. Usually it's not, they don't do anything terrible or horrible, but they enjoy making people angry. So that's mischief. Let's see how we can use it in a sentence. Here is a situation. The cat broke the vase. The cat broke the vase. Now, cats enjoy causing trouble. At least that's my opinion. That's how I remember my cat used to enjoy making people angry or causing trouble. And they don't care if you get angry. They think it's funny if you get angry with them. So if we wanted to say that this is a cat who seems to enjoy causing or making trouble, we can say it's a mischievous cat. So mischief is a noun. I guess I should put the word mischievous up here because it's spelled a little bit differently. Just a second here. Let me write this. Mischievous. Let's see. Did I spell it right? Mischievous. Okay. So here's mischievous. This is the adjective form of mischief. So a mischievous cat. Mischievous cat. If we say that the cat is mischievous, that means it's a cat who really enjoys causing trouble. Fabian Perez is asking, is it like implore? Fabian, is what like implore? Mischievous, no. So if you're asking about mischievous, no. Implore kind of means like beg, if you know that word. It means ask in a very strong way. Okay, let's see. The mischievous cat broke the vase. The cat who enjoys trouble, who has fun making trouble, broke the vase. The mischievous cat broke the vase. Let's change this into a passive voice sentence. The vase was broken. The vase was broken. The vase was broken by the mischievous cat. Let's make a when question with that sentence. When was the vase broken? When was the vase broken by the mischievous cat? When was the vase broken by the mischievous cat? And let's see. The answer is this morning. So the vase was broken. The vase was broken by. The vase was broken by the mischievous cat. The vase was broken by the mischievous cat this morning. Okay, let's try another example using mischief. Little Johnny broke Lisa's window. So imagine little Johnny is throwing a ball outside and the ball breaks Lisa's window. How will you make this into a passive voice sentence? Little Johnny broke Lisa's window. So we want to focus on Lisa's window and not little Johnny. Lisa's window, her window was broken. Her window was broken by little Johnny. Now, let's make a how Lisa knew question. How Lisa knew window was broken by Johnny. How did Lisa know? How did she know? How did she know? How did she know her window was broken? How did she know her window was broken? How did she know her? How did she know her window was broken? How did she know that her? How did she know that her window was broken by little Johnny? And here's the answer. Because of his smile. Okay. But this was the smile of trouble. It wasn't the happy, joking smile. This was the evil smile, like I enjoy doing bad things, because of his mischievous smile. She knew that her window was broken by little Johnny because of his mischievous smile. because of his, because of his mischievous smile. She knew that her window was broken by little Johnny because of his mischievous smile. Okay. Now let's move on to our next vocabulary word, which is